Ngay go you play hakani ka por ka pamanta ba ka Jaseng Healing Festival Bhoirymbong kadang yat shat shat but kani ka program ka sngi ka ba ar ya ka ba ngiyo biang ka jingalap mentai dang yalap I pastor pi maulong ya ka khubor hakani ka por men sngi but chibit janmiet ru in ai biang ya ka khubor bala shai ka sngi haka sngi tra khat sautrik kan artli biang ka Jaseng haka por ka ba shiposteng ba kum joro haka por sau ba je janmiet Tadeng tangi aware biang khot sngewbha ya vi ko mga pentip aga status baga jaka parking ka biang bha ka jaka ka he bha wan ban yo sngau ka tin ka jong blai wan daga donot ka ba keloj wan daga jing khmi lenti utrai pen khia shibun bha kibreu pi pang wan utrai pen khia fi ha ka do ka jong fi kom ju ru pen khia ka man sim ka jong fi u jisu nom le tang shiliang nom le tang ka do un le ruat ya ka man sim ka jong fi double blessing ki jingker khu gi ba arsha utrai un the aga jim ka jong fi wan daga donot ka ba keluat wan daga donot ka ba khmi lenti wan daga donot ka ba nget shisha bat komba utrai upen khia I gi brio menin menta bat la shai ka sngi rungin I ka jing trai ka ba kraw ka jong blai hakini ki Jaseng tadeng tang ya wer khot sngewbha fi la fi dana mi ngi na sep ngi na stay na stay jong ni ka ri ka jongi phila banwan I take this opportunity to invite each and every one of you to come to Bhoirymbong Healing Festival. We are having this festival here at Madan Kurkalang, and we are having this evening another service, and tomorrow also the 14th of December 2025, two services, one at 10:30 in the morning and the other will be at 4 p.m. in the evening. And I believe when you come with expectation, the Lord is going to heal you. Last night and today, the Lord has been healing people, and if you come with an expectation, with a heart, believing that the Lord will do something for you, yes, He will definitely do that for you. Not only He will heal your body, but He will heal your soul. Because the Lord heals the body and the soul. And He will heal you if you come with a heart, a thirsty heart, a heart that is hungry for God. And when you come with that heart, the Lord is going to do a miracle for you. We believe we will be seeing you this evening and also tomorrow on the 14th from morning and also at evening time. God bless you. Jesus bless you. Amen.